It's hot. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Jenna here with another video, and today we're doing something different. We don't have a haul, baby. We have something different. So I saw this thing, and I'm about to do a thing because of this thing. I saw this thing on TikTok where people were making spiked pops, and I always knew that that was a possibility to make. However, I didn't actually decide to ever make them. So I figured this is the first truly hot, consistent week. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm literally sweating. But this is the first really hot weekend. I think it's gonna be like 84 to like 87 all weekend. So me and my friends are supposed to be making like a cute brunch tomorrow, and then maybe go and then we might like go on the lake or something. So I figured, why not get them a little bit lit? They know that there's gonna be alcohol in these things. I'm not actually like drugging them or anything. And I can do hood rat shit with my friends again, quarantine style, in the safest way. I got the popsicles. It took me like 6 stores, and then I finally realized that they are in the juice section on the bottom shelf. Went to the liquor store, and I decided we're gonna make kind of a twist, because I know you can buy popsicle bags, but I can't find them. So I'll show you later. Before we get started and get into this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like the video, leave your questions, comments, concerns down below, and now let's get into the video. First thing we gotta do is get through these cars that are my mom and my brothers. Bitches. Okay, so I have secured the bag of juice. I bought us options so we can have the choice between lemonade and raspberry lemonade. It's gonna be so delicious, and I can't wait to get back to the house so I can cook it. So that's what, guys, we're gonna cook popsicles today. Okay, all right, so I'm home. So now I'm gonna start my little project. Like I said, I did find something on Tinder. I've been in a relationship, a loving relationship, for 2 years. Tinder. I found something on TikTok. So for this little art culinary project, if you will, you're gonna need a few things. You're gonna need a towel. Get an old towel. Don't piss your mom off. Get a towel that she doesn't care about ruining, just in case. We're gonna lay that down right here. Also get a bowl. This is a good bowl, and this bowl is gonna be for the excess liquid. Next, you're gonna need some popsicles. So these are the Food Lion Freeze Pops. This is just what I remember in my childhood seeing. So this is what I got. I scoured the town looking for these popsicles, and I finally found them in the juice aisle on the bottom shelf, like next to apple juice. So because I probably will be with multiple people, I did get 2 packs, and I think there's 36 in each pack, so that gives us 72 popsicles. It's a lot of liquor. I got Svedka. Drink responsibly. Simply lemonade juice, because I don't really like popsicles, but I do love Simply Lemonade, and I know that it's good with Svedka. So I got this in raspberry lemonade, and I also got regular lemonade. You're also gonna need a pair of scissors, and then I'm really hoping that this works, but you need a flat iron so that you can flat iron it back shut, burn it back shut, so that you can close it. And I think this is currently on like 380 when I do my hair, so I feel like that's good burning temperature. Yeah, okay. I got a washcloth, and I just soaked it in water because these little baggies can be sticky. I also got one of these little pipette thingies so that I can squirt the juice into the packet. And then I also got a bowl of water so that when I am pipetting the juice into the packet, I don't have to worry about, you know, the taste of the previous liquid being in there, because I'm gonna just wash it out with that water. All right, so we have 72 popsicles that we need to get done, and it's about 3 o'clock or so. So I'm imagining this is gonna take me a really long time to complete. All right, so I'm just gonna start doing some and see how this goes. I guess I'll keep you guys updated on my process and my progress. See you soon. I'm just gonna pour this one out because this one is orange and one of my friends does not like the orange, so I'm gonna pour half of that out because I trust her opinion. So we've got our bowl. What is this called? A turkey baster, a pipette. I don't think it's that good. So yeah, we're just trialing and erroring. I'm just gonna shake it up and pour it back out because I want to make sure I get that flavor out of there. Pipette, turkey baster, and I'm gonna go into my raspberry lemonade and I'm just gonna squirt that into there. So it looks like it'll take, I'm trying not to like kill them, you know, but I also don't know how much to put in terms of the alcohol in here. And I'm just gonna pour it. I don't want to use the pipette for the alcohol because I don't want it to, I just don't want to cross-contaminate alcohol, you know. So I'm just gonna fill that baby up there. Next, I'm gonna take my flat iron here, and I'm a little scared because isn't alcohol flammable, you know? I need to get better at just doing the end of it, I guess. Trial and out. Shit. Sorry. So yeah, that's my process right now. Hopefully I'll get a little bit faster at it because I've only done 2 and it's been like, I don't know, an hour and a half. So I feel like I started this at like 3:30 and now it is 5:30. And so far I've made about 14 out of 72 popsicles and 2 TikToks. Follow me on TikTok. Alrighty, guess I'll go through these pink now. I think these are all just gonna be Svedka. I don't know what the pink is. I don't know if it's watermelon or strawberry. I don't know. Why does it always smell like alcohol's in here? I feel like that's strawberry. That makes sense. Well, now we're gonna put some blue raspberry in there. Honestly, I almost feel like I need to go get another bottle of Svedka. Okay, but I have a question, and this might be a dumb question. You can tell me if it is, but I've never done this before, like I said, right? And I've always been taught that alcohol doesn't freeze, and I know that for a fact. So how is this supposed to freeze? Is it, oh wait, no, I had this debate in my head earlier today, and I determined that it was because it's diluted in this popsicle juice, so maybe it will freeze. I guess it just can't be like the pure alcohol form that it comes in. Because I was like, wait, am I doing all of this for nothing and it's not even gonna freeze? I'm trying to like lose some flavors here, because if it was up to me, whoa, this one's just gonna be a little strong. Whoever gets this one. Ah! I'm gonna kill them! Oh my god. My shoulders, my arms, my back are literally killing me. Like, can I just try it? Oh, okay. Okay. Yep. And that's why we're not doing that. Okay, little spillage here. So we're just gonna continue to do what we were doing before because I kind of like that juice. So if there's any left over, I can bring it and we can use it as like a mixer or something. The problem with these is I'm not sure how much I'm putting in. So I've been kind of, when I did measure it with the shot cup, the couple that I did do, I noticed that I was putting in about a half a shot in each popsicle bag. And at first I was like, that's not a lot. I should probably put more in there. But also too, I need to remember there's literally 72 of these things. So my bet is we're probably not gonna leave very many left over. We're probably gonna eat most of them. I could be completely wrong and we may get tired of them and just drink, you know, from out of a cup. But I don't know, I feel like these are more fun. What I do love about Simply Lemonade is, number one, it's lemonade. I freaking love lemonade. Some would say, including my doctor, that I have an oral allergy to it. But that's just, it's just an oral allergy, which means that my lips only swell up sometimes when I drink it. And I mean, it's not like my throat is closing, and that's the only side effect I get. So it's like, yeah, maybe they get a little bit itchy too. Their lemonade, I don't even know what to compare it to other than McDonald's lemonade. And anyone who knows me knows that I love McDonald's. Oh, McDonald's? No, not McDonald's. Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A lemonade. I love Chick-fil-A lemonade. And I feel like it's less sour than Chick-fil-A lemonade. No one knew when they made this bowl that someone was gonna put liquid in it. Like, no, they were thinking maybe a salad, I don't know, lettuce. Nope, popsicle juice. Oh my god! This is the last one. Oh my god. Okay. I did it. I finished. I have about half of this bottle left. So it took me a bottle and a half to do all of those. Okay, so I'm a mess. I cleaned up my workstation and I've got my popsicles behind me. I had to go back through each one of them and shake them again to make sure nothing was leaking, because I had to throw out a couple because they were leaking. But I only got rid of 2 out of the 72 that I did. So we have 70 popsicles that are good to go. I'm about to put them in the freezer and freeze them. And yeah, I'll probably update you guys tomorrow and just let you know how it went. But yeah, that is it for this video. If you like this little project, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and click the subscribe button and leave all your questions, comments, concerns down below. Follow me on my Instagram at xjenah, and I guess my TikTok, since I've become a little bit famous during this video. So follow me on my TikTok. It is the same as my Instagram handle at xjenah, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye. What?